Welcome to the tie-dye tutorial. First up is the swirl pattern. Take your fingers, pinch them in the middle of the shirt and twist it around. Use your other hand to continue the twist. Then you take your rubber bands. You're going to place the one across and then the other across again. And then one more and then one last one. And what it's going to do is make a pie shape, and each color is going to be a separate pie slice. Applying the colors. This one I'm doing sort of rainbow. And check and make sure the dye is through, and there you have the swirl. This is how it came out. Next is polka dot. For the polka dot, you pinch a small circle and you tie a rubber band very tightly around it. It's key to make it tight so that the white stays. And then you just do this all over your shirt. Repeat it as many times as you want there to be the polka dots. Then you cover your shirt in dye. Here I use one color, but you can use multiple colors. And don't forget to do the front and the back. Squeeze it to distribute the dye evenly, and there you have polka dot. Next is the rainbow stripe. This one you're going to do accordion fold all the way across your shirt, and then you section it off using the rubber bands. Each section is going to be a different color for this one, but you could do stripes. But here I'm doing rainbow. And now I'm going to apply the colors. Make sure to flip it on the back and the front. And whenever you're doing the dye, it's important to put as much color as you can. Put a little bit more than you think you need so that the color soaks through. There you have it. Next is the bullseye. This is like a giant polka dot. So you pinch a circle in the middle, then you start rubber banding all the way around, and you're going to section it off for as many colors as you want in the bullseye. And then keep going. This one, I call it the unicorn horn. Alright, so you take your unicorn horn, you add one color, two colors, three. And in this one, you saw how it came out, but I should have added more color. So make sure, especially on that thick part where the red is and the purple, I should add even more color so it comes out even more. Next is the stripes. This one is similar to the rainbow stripe. This one you start with the accordion fold, and then you roll it into a little cinnamon bun roll. And this one is really easy to tie up. You just need two rubber bands to hold it together, and then it's simple. You just color one side, and then I opening it up to make sure there's dye everywhere and that the dye gets all over all the parts of the shirt. See, I just checked it, and that's how it came out. Next is the crumple. This one is the easiest. You just crumple your shirt up any which way and put rubber bands around it whatever way you want. You can make them tight, you can make them loose, and there you have it. Now you just put the color all over the shirt, and this one I did one color, but you can do more than one color. Crumple. Last is squares. So squares is similar to stripes. There's a small difference. You do the accordion fold again, and then you accordion fold a second time. And this one, the pattern is going to be squares instead of stripes. You put the rubber bands around to hold it in place, and then you do the same thing like you did with stripes. You color one side, and then you color the other with another color. And I'm opening it up to make sure and squeezing it, and there you have squares. All right, thanks for watching.